from the red chili powder. So this is perfectly mixed and this is the perfect color. We'll just add a tad bit of lemon juice to it. Our tandoori marination is ready. Now what we'll do is we'll add the paneer to the marination and just coat it gently. So now we'll keep this aside for 10 to 15 minutes for all the flavors to soak in. Let's keep this aside. The pan is nicely heated up. So to make the herb rice, let's add in a bit of oil. So the oil is nicely heated up. So we'll add in a bit of butter for that extra flavor. Just melt it nicely. So you must be wondering why we've added oil and butter together. The oil helps the butter to not burn. We'll add in some chopped garlic. So we'll cook this until it's slightly brown, just like this. As you can see, it's now golden brown. Now what we'll do is quickly add in the rice. We'll add in a bit of coriander, a bit of pepper and a bit of salt. And let's just toss it. So we'll keep this aside and then cook our paneer. Add in a bit of oil. So the oil is nicely heated up. We'll just add our paneer cubes to it. Paneer is cooking. What we'll do now is we'll make the salad. We'll take some rajma, boiled rajma. You don't need to add salt while you're boiling the rajma because we are going to be seasoning the salad anyways. Chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, chopped yellow capsicum, chopped red capsicum, chopped green capsicum. And since it's a salsa, we'll add in a bit of ketchup, lemon juice and a bit of coriander. Now we'll add some seasoning, add some pepper, salt, and let's quickly mix it. So our salad is nice and ready. Let's keep this aside. So we'll flip this over, and as you can see, the marination has formed a brilliant coating around. It's slightly crispy and all the flavors are packed inside. We just cook this from the other side and just wait for it to cool down a bit. Let's turn off the gas. Our paneer tikka is ready. Our herb rice is ready. Our salad is ready. Let's start assembling the wrap and let's get to it. The tortilla is nice and warm. We'll take this here. So we'll take green chutney. Basically, it's a mixture of coriander, green chilies and mint. Now we've added some lettuce. Now we'll add in our herb rice on top of the lettuce. A bit of the salad / salsa. Now we'll add in our star ingredient, the paneer cubes, and let's wrap this up nicely. We'll add in a bit of oil on the tawa and we'll place the sealed side down so that it seals further. So till the time this side is getting cooked, we'll prep for the plating and let's clear our stations up. So I'll be cutting them into triangles. So what I'm going to do is take some of the salad, put it in a bowl here and keep it on the plate. A bit of the green chutney and just make a swirl. So what we'll do now is we'll place the wrap here. Let's place this here. So our Paneer Tikka burrito wrap is ready. This is a meal by itself. So don't forget to try this recipe out and don't forget to leave a comment below. Until then, see you next time.